Usually for retail, there are several functions that are relatively important. The first is open bill. The second is your stock. Then the third is reporting. Some extra functions like record customer information. You can check the e-invoice status. Then you can also set your employee's authority. These additional functions are available. Depends on whether you're relevant to your usage. Of course, we have offer member point and member discount option. So this is also optional for you to do. Okay, for the open bill, we can come to this point of sales. You can click the POS when opening a new order. You can choose to click the add. After click the add button, you will see this interface. If you are serving walk-in customer today, you didn't want to record his information, you can directly click the product. You can also click here if you have run barcode, then scan with your scanner. The item will automatically appear here. But if you want to record customer information today, you can come to this magnifying glass. Choose your customer, or you can create a new profile for your new customer. Usually, we will fill in the customer's name, phone number, and email address. You can click the Save after you fill in all the information. Let's say I click this ABC customer now. Select the product you want to purchase. Okay, maybe this one. After choosing the product, you can proceed with payment. We will get your payment listing from you later. Our system can let the customer use different payment methods to settle their order. Let's say if this order is RM29, this customer can choose maybe RM10 in cash. He may want to use e-wallet to pay for the rest. It's all okay, as long as this amount is cleared. Click to tick because of the arrival of e-invoice. Usually, we click directly on the request e-invoice. System will generate a receipt with QR code. So it looks like this. If customers want e-invoice, they can scan the QR code, then we'll take them to a website. Customer can go to this website to fill in their information. After filling in their information, customer can click the Submit Request. When they submit the request, it will be automatically sent to LHDN server. The merchant and this customer will receive the validated e-invoice. You can also find it in our POS system to check this status for each order. So, back to our POS system. You can click the sales list. You can go to the last column. It is called e-invoice to check the status of each order. Okay, usually we have 3 situations. The first case will show valid, which means you have received e-invoice. The second case will show invalid, which means customer wants the e-invoice but may have accidentally filled in some information incorrectly, then it was rejected. The third one would be something like this, completely blank. So this type is just a normal receipt. Merchants are required to submit these normal receipts as consolidated e-invoice before the 7th of each month. You can click My Invoice. Click Submit Consolidated e-invoice. Then choose the time period and date you want. The system will automatically help you, filters out all the cash sales. You just need to click the Next and click Submit. That the process of e-invoice and consolidated e-invoice are completed. After the order and e-invoice are completed, you can check your sales report now. You may click the Report button. Go to the Report interface. There are a lot of reports here, but usually we use the previous 3. The first one is end of day till. You are free to adjust the dates and time you want to see. Click Show button. So through this report, you can see your entire payment collection and what did you sell within this period. The second report will be a more detailed report called Daily Summary. Daily Summary, usually some accountants like to look at because it's a detailed report. The debit and credit sides have been clearly separated. Each invoice's breakdown will be clearly shown below. If you have run membership or redemption, like member point whatever things, it will also appear in this report. We have a third report called Monthly Summary. This report is usually for payment. In this section, you can view the total cash received, touch and go, card, and other transaction details. You can see it all here. Here are some of our more common ones: sales reports and commonly used sales reports. If you want to see any other reports, of course you can come here to check your top selling item or see which brands are performing better. All of that information is available here. Okay, the next part will be your stock. You may come here to click stock. Click Item Master. When you first make the purchase, we will provide you with several Excel templates. There is one template called Item Master. About the Item Master, you need to fill in data and give it to us. Our team will help you import the template into the system. This is in case if you have new products coming in the future, you don't want to update in that Excel template. You can directly click Add an Inventory, enter some data you want, like the name of the product, the barcode of the product, sales price also, branding and grouping of that product. You can put it in. You can also put in your costing, suppliers, and etc. There is another that will be, if you want to keep track, your minimum stock quantity. You can also key in here. We have a report can let you see which goods need to be replenished. You can come out here, click Report. If you want to see which goods need to be replenished, you can click Stock below Reorder Point. Choose the branch you want to see. System will automatically put all the items, log it out for you. Then you can see which goods need to be replenished. Another report, that's the report you need to do stock take. We call it Stock Balance. Click Show button. You can have this report to do your stock count. Okay, so if you want to see movement, just click the item. System can help you show up the whole movement on this item. Okay, so if everything's done, we can exit. Basically, the process of stock and open bill will be like that. The next will be Authority Settings. Authority Settings. We can be divided into 5 levels. Can view the button or not. If only they could see that button. Can they add something, change or delete items? And they can search for something or not. This will be the authority setting we are talking about. Okay, next will be integration with accounting system. Our system can be integrated with SQL accounting through this integration function. If you want to integrate with SQL accounting, we usually have 2 methods. The first is direct integration. The second is indirect integration. If your SQL is local on premises or the desktop version, it will be through export and import method. Post the data to your SQL accounting. If your SQL accounting is cloud-based, you will have the direct integration method. Just click a button. All the data will be directly posted from the POS system to your SQL accounting. This is where you can take notes. So basically, this is how it works for retail. Thanks.